Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Sugar restriction in early childhood can cut diabetes risk by 35%. Journal. Like humans, even animals mimic behaviors to learn or blend into their environment. An ostrich's neck hide only 7 bones, the same number as human despite being nearly 3 feet long. They can steal your recipe, but the sauce won't taste the same. Ghost crabs use their tiny claws to meticulously clean their ears as it's vital for their survival. Horses are models in the donkey world. People don't fake depression, they fake being okay. A good joke can be made once and stolen several times. Cats stare at each other during fights to establish dominance without immediate physical aggression. Kerala woman Arthi Raghunath creates universal record forum by completing 350 online courses in 90 days. Some waterfalls are so tall that the water turns into mist before it hits the ground. Shredded cheese has cellulose, which is a wood product, also known as sawdust, so that it does not stick together. Smart people focus on learning, not winning arguments. We don't have to be smarter than the rest, we have to be more disciplined than the rest. The largest recorded cloudburst in the Ganges Delta, Bangladesh, India, were 91.69 inches of rain fell over 20 hours. Martha, the last passenger pigeon, went extinct in 1914. Passenger pigeon, a species that once numbered billions in North America, went extinct by nearly 20th century. Her death in 1914 marked the extinction of an entire species, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. The Kumbh Mela is a major Hindu pilgrimage and festival held every 12 years at 4 rotating locations in India: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik, and Ujjain. It is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. The world's largest oil field, Saudi Arabia's Ghawar, produces 3.8 million barrels of oil per day, which helps make the country the world's largest oil exporter. Study finds Mercedes and BMW drivers are 5 times more likely to cut you off in traffic. UC Berkeley study shows striking pattern among drivers of luxury vehicles. The world's longest train ever was 4.57 miles long and held a Guinness World Record in 2001 in Western Australia. The Dakhins are a small Turkic community of semi-nomadic reindeer herders living in Mongolia. Airplane offers women the choice of not sitting next to men when they book seats. Lagrange points were discovered by Joseph in 1772 when he solved a complex maths problem about how two large objects like the Earth and the Sun interact with a smaller object. Every American's social security number and address may have been stolen by hackers. The screaming piha has one of the loudest calls in the wild with a whistle that can hit 116 dB. Fluoride in drinking water linked to lower IQ, according to the new US government report. A day on Earth may soon have 25 hours as the moon is drifting away. Amazing banana art made by poking and bruising the skin. No ink is used by Anna. China unveils the world's first AI hospital with robot doctors capable of treating 3,000 patients daily. The Wodaabe tribe from Chad has a courtship tradition called Gerewol. Men spend hours getting dressed to dance in front of the tribe's women in hopes of being judged the most beautiful. Women from the tribe can pick who they want to get married. Linemen have to pass 100 kg bench press test before getting the $100,000 job. 30% steep bridge in Japan is part of driving exam where 80% of driving students fail. Mark Spitz Mark Spitz, nine-time Olympic champion, jokingly told the Russian swim team coach in 1972 that his mustache increased his swimming speed by deflecting water away from his mouth. The next year, every Russian skimmer was sporting one. Lakes can explode. Lake Manon, Cameroon, 1984. Lake Nyos, Cameroon. Can these explosions be prevented? Did you know lakes can explode? Thanks for watching.